What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. If you're new around here, you join me, Sam Clark, on the channel where I teach you how to fix your car. In today's video, as you can see here, you join me with the Seat Leon. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the windscreen wipers. We'll go over the front and we'll go over the back one as well. Dead simple job, actually doesn't require any tools and will only take you a few minutes. So without further ado, let's crack on. Right guys, join me on the outside of the car. First thing we're going to do is get your wiper arm and lift it up like this. Just pull it all the way up so it stays up on its own. Next thing you're going to do is look straight towards the centre of the arm where it meets the wiper itself, and you should see, quite obvious, a big square button if you like, or clip. And simply you're going to hold this clip in with your thumb and then slide up with your fingers. So the fingers on the wiper itself, thumb on the clip, slide up, and it should pop back out like that. Some of them are a bit stiffer than others, so if it's really stiff, maybe stick a screwdriver in that and slide it up, but they're designed to do without tools. And then it's just a case of wiggling it out like that, and that's your wiper off the car. So at this point you'll have your new wiper on you, and it is just a case of getting it like so. Bit of an angle to get it in past the plastic catches and sliding it back down like so. Yeah, a nice reassuring click when it's back in properly and secure, and you'll know because it won't just push back up. And that's it guys, that's how to remove and replace your front windscreen wiper. Now let's have a quick look at the back. Right, rear wiper now, pretty much the same as the front. The only thing I will say is the button's a lot smaller. It's a bit fiddly. If you've got fat fingers, you might want to use a screwdriver or something to push it down. I can just about get a nail in. Again, hold it in and slide it up. It's a lot easier with two hands, but I am filming, so I've only got one. Just going to slide it out like so. This one's a bit smaller obviously because it's for the rear, which I suppose also means it's cheaper to buy a new one, which is good. And yeah, that is about it for the rear as well. You're going to get your new one and you're going to slide it back on like so, just like that. Pop the arm down and that's the rear windscreen wiper replaced. Right guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe request your own tutorial if you like these sort of videos. But anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.